Roller Analytics, powered by Google's Looker, shows you why your business is performing the way it is, not just what happened. Reports help you run your venue. Analytics help you grow it. In this course, we'll show you how to turn your data into decisions. To navigate to Analytics, select Analytics in the left-hand side navigation. By default, you will see the Revenue Analytics dashboard. Select Dashboards to see a full list of all available dashboards. You can search available dashboards by name, or you can filter by categories, such as Guest, Membership, Overview, Parties and Groups, and the Revenue dashboards. In this example, we'll select Parties and Groups. If you open a dashboard, such as Party Package Insights, select View Key Terms to easily see all the key terms related to this dashboard. If you're happy with this dashboard, select Set as Default at the top of the page so you can quickly access it next time when you enter the Analytics section of the platform. Alongside dashboards, we have an array of analytics reports available. To access the analytics reports, select Reports in the left-hand side navigation. You can filter by categories and favorite different reports. Favoriting a report will make it appear at the top of the list view. If you select a specific report or dashboard, you have the ability to edit filters. You can see in this example, there are a set selection of filters that you can edit to help change the data that's appearing. You can also select the cog icon and download this report or schedule this report to send at a certain time.